Little, the hard-working mouse, loved everyone in the forest and was a kind-hearted soul. Ridley, the lion, lived in the middle of the jungle in a large den. One day in the evening, Little was in a hurry to get back home. Without knowing, he happened to cross Ridley's den as Ridley was resting outside. Ridley was half awake and grabbed Little by his paws. Pleaded for his life and promised that if Ridley let him go, he would also help him in some way. Ridley agreed. Just then, a hunter threw his net on Riley, trapping him. Feeling pity for him, Little quietly walked up to him and chewed through the net. A kindness is never wasted.